in my house.
This song goes out to Billy Bob in Savannah, Georgia.
The rockabilly cats with the pumps real high, wearing black drape coats, all real gone, got his two skinheads, roll up jeans, looking real tough and mighty me.
There's a rumble in Brighton tonight. Ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do.
There's a rumble in Brighton tonight. Fish hooks on their collars, they got razors in their shoe.
I said go cat go, their battle cry.
World War III is starting to brew. Now skinheads are all using blackjacks, and they're looking mighty mean. They got chains wrapped around their fingers, and their heads are all shaven clean.
Well, there's a rumble in Brighton tonight. Ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. There's a rumble in the city tonight.
Let's stand and let's all go have a beer. I said no team is the winner. Well, we'll see you all next year.
There's a rumble in Brighton tonight. Ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. There's a rumble in the city tonight. Rumble in the city tonight. Rumble on the beach tonight. Rumble in the city tonight. Rumble on the beach. Well, there ain't a damn thing that the cops can do. Line right off more sideline view. Ringside seats for the neighborhood fight. There's a rumble in the U.S. tonight.